Welcome to Mesmerized. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of natural beauty. In this video, we'll show you how to look cute without a hint of makeup. Whether you're makeup-averse or simply looking for a fresh, natural look, we've got some fantastic tips and tricks in store for you. So, stay tuned and let's enhance your natural charm. Flawless skincare routine. A consistent skincare routine is the foundation of looking cute without makeup. Start by cleansing your face daily to remove dirt and impurities. Follow up with a gentle toner to balance your skin's pH levels. Finish with a moisturizer that suits your skin type to keep it hydrated and healthy. Regular skincare can help you achieve clear and radiant skin. Eyebrow grooming. Well-groomed eyebrows can instantly enhance your facial features. Consider getting your eyebrows professionally shaped by a trained esthetician or maintain them at home by plucking any stray hairs. The right eyebrow shape can frame your face beautifully and draw attention to your eyes. Luscious lashes. Long, dark lashes can make your eyes appear more prominent and expressive. You can achieve this without makeup by using an eyelash curler to lift and curl your lashes. Additionally, there are lash serums available that can help promote lash growth, giving you a natural and captivating look. Healthy diet and hydration. Eating a balanced diet filled with fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains provides your skin with essential nutrients. These nutrients can nourish your skin from within, giving it a healthy and radiant appearance. Staying well hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps maintain skin moisture and freshness. Natural lip care. For soft and attractive lips without makeup, use a gentle lip balm to keep them moisturized. You can also create a DIY sugar scrub by mixing sugar with a bit of honey or coconut oil to exfoliate your lips, leaving them smooth and soft. For a touch of color, consider using a tinted lip balm or a natural lip stain made from fruit pigments. Hair care. Healthy hair can significantly enhance your overall appearance. Trim split ends regularly to keep your hair looking neat and well-maintained. Use hair care products that suit your hair type and focus on keeping it healthy and shiny. Embrace your natural hair texture, and consider protective styles to prevent damage. Radiant smile. Your smile is a powerful tool for looking cute. Maintain good oral hygiene by brushing, flossing, and visiting your dentist regularly. Teeth whitening treatments can enhance your smile's brightness. Confidence in your smile can instantly boost your attractiveness. Dress confidently. Wearing clothes that make you feel confident and comfortable is essential. Embrace your personal style and choose outfits that suit your body type and preferences. Don't forget to accessorize with items that complement your look, adding a touch of charm and cuteness. Posture matters. Good posture is a simple yet effective way to instantly appear more attractive and confident. Stand tall with your shoulders back and your head held high. A confident posture can leave a lasting impression on others. Positive attitude. Your attitude and demeanor play a significant role in your overall cuteness. Maintain a positive outlook on life, be kind and genuine, and let your inner beauty shine through. A positive attitude is the most attractive quality you can possess. That's a wrap for today's video on how to look cute without makeup. We hope you found these tips helpful in bringing out your natural beauty. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe for more beauty and self-care content. Remember, confidence and self-love are the keys to looking and feeling your best. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.